Hi friends, today I will show you how you can import your drum kits and SFX in FL Studio. First, for convenience, take the file you downloaded from the download section to the desktop, then right-click on the FL Studio application. And click Open File Location from here. Click on the folder named Data in the window that opens. Click on the folder named Data. Find the folder named Patches here and double-click. Then click on the Packs folder and drag and drop our file into this folder. Now let's go into FL Studio, and as you can see from here, we can see our drum kit, and let's test if it works. As you can see, our drum kit works fine. See you in another tutorial video.